Love is patient and kind. It is not jealous or conceited or proud. Love is not ill-mannered or selfish or irritable. Love does not keep a record of wrongs. Love is not happy with evil, but it is happy with the truth. Love never gives up, and its faith, hope, and patience never fail. Tandaan ninyo ang katangian ng pag-ibig na nais ng Panginoon na taglay natin.
You say you'll be down in 5. The smell of your perfume is floating down the stairs. You're fixing up your hair like you do. I know that I'll be a mess the second that I see you, but you won't be surprised. It happens every time, it's nothing new. It's always on a night like tonight. I thank God you can read my mind, 'cause when you look at me with those eyes, I'm speechless, staring at you standing there in that dress. What it's doing to me ain't a secret, 'cause watching you is all that I can do. And I'm speechless. You already know that you're my weakness. After all this time I'm just as nervous every time you walk into the room.
Thank you sa pagpili sa akin, and I promise kay God na alagaan kita. Ikaw lang ang babaeng mamahalin ko at sisilbihan hanggang sa pagtanda natin.
Katulad ng lagi kong sinasabi, maaga kang namulat sa totoong buhay. And while I admire for that, simula ngayon di ka na mag-isa. I'll always be by your side sa malaki o maliit na ganap ng buhay. Sa bawat ikaw, palaging may ako.
Without even trying, and I'm speechless, staring at you standing there in that dress. What it's doing to me ain't a secret, 'cause watching you is all that I can do. And I'm speechless. You already know that you're my weakness. After all this time I'm just as nervous every time you walk into the room.
First of all, gusto ko lang magpasalamat kay Lord kasi ikakasal na ako sa babaeng gusto ko makasama araw-araw.
Naalala mo, laging bilin ni Pastor Angie sa mga youth na pumili ng magiging boyfriend o girlfriend na Christian na. Di ko alam na habang naririnig ko yun, isa pala sa mga kasama ko that time ang makakatuluyan ko at ikaw yun.
Hanggang sa isang araw, after 2 years ata, 2019, nagkita ulit tayo sa isang fishbowlan sama ng mga kaibigan.
Half na walang usap at pansinan. In 2019, pauwi ako. Nakita ko kayo nila Christian at Paul sa may inaman. Doon na ulit nag-start yung communication natin. Ayun, may feelings ka pa pala. Kaya that time, nandiyo ka na. And when life gives us challenges, sabay tayong mag-pray, knowing na our strength comes not from ourselves, but from Him who brought us together.
Oh, you know it, baby.
And for Kuya Beans, thank you for taking care of my ate, for having the patience para sa aking ate na ang pagsasalita ay minsan ay katulad kay mama, at ang pasensya ay katulad ni daddy. I am glad that she found someone who can take care of her without reminding her the responsibility of being a firstborn or a breadwinner of the family. I am also masaya na you're officially part of the family. Yes! Hindi na siya taga-picture tuwing may family pic. I hope and pray that you will stay in love like this forever, as I've also witnessed how the both of you started.